Hey guys, this is Skylanders Dump Smash with another unboxing video. It has two figures. Zack Ryder Series 3. Hold on, my mom's coming through.
Alright.
It's okay. Sheamus Series 5. And you know my other video from yesterday. AJ Lee. This is when she's not too cool. Now, let's get started with this unboxing video. Hold on, guys.
You think you like this one just a little bit better than the other one?
Nope.
It's just something fun to do.
Sorry guys, I'm just having trouble learning the phone while I'm taking... Can I put the phone down? Yeah, I'm just gonna put the phone down for a second. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, here he is. It's a Zack Ryder Series 3. Had to mention that again. Pretty good, honestly. Cool. Gonna open the Sheamus now.
This lady that's coming is an iPhone stiller.
Yeah.
She's behind you. Need you look.
It's pretty easy to use. Those figures are cool and awesome. Here it is, and this is Zack Ryder. Okay, now I'm going to open the other one. Excuse me, guys. 8 boxes like this.
One thing I don't like sitting up here about is the fucking mat. Where do they come from?
Here it is in the package, yeah! It's an awesome figure, yeah! Pretty cool. It's awesome. Not cool. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the package. God, I hate when it has frizzy hair like this, but it's hard to get out of the package. Pretty cool.
When did he first tell you about this cool type?
So this is my collection. Well, this is my unboxing video. Peace, YouTube.